Hello friends, I'm Kanishka Bakolia. Today our team is present at Satlok Ashram Sojat Pali. Sojat, which is known for hub of Mehndi, but nowadays Sojat is very trendy and popular for Satlok Ashram Sojat Pali. As you can see the hoarding behind me written as Satlok Ashram. This place is 500 meters away from the toll gate, as you can see on the signboard where the flag is flying of Sat Sahib. Let's move inside and investigate that what's all happening inside the Satlok Ashram. Let's go. Coming forward, we get the entrance gate and here the parking area. The parking area ensures the safety and security. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर भक्तजन बार बार सेवा कर रहे हैं और पेट्रोल कर रहे हैं ताकि यहाँ की जो सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी मेंटेन रहे. इसके अलावा यहाँ पर क्लियर साइनेज है ताकि पार्किंग में किसी को भी दिक्कत ना आए. आफ्टर ऑल दिस इज़ द सतलोक आश्रम सोजत पाली वेयर here we see this is the entrance gate which is very well decorated with the frames. Let's move inside and explore कि अंदर और क्या क्या चल रहा है. Let's go. Coming further हमें देखने को मिलता है that such a huge parking area it is. इतना बड़ा parking area है that इधर के साइड भी 2 व्हीलर्स और 4 व्हीलर्स रखने की फैसिलिटीज़ है. इवनली इधर भी 2 व्हीलर्स और 4 व्हीलर्स रखने की फैसिलिटीज़ है. मोर एवर इधर यहाँ पर रेस्ट रूम की भी फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड की गई है फॉर द विजिटर्स हु कम ओवर हियर. इसके अलावा इन सच अ हॉट सीज़न यहाँ पर वाटर फैसिलिटीज़ भी प्रोवाइड की जा रही है विच इज़ अ अमेजिंग थिंग ओवर हियर इन सच अ हॉट वेदर. मूविंग फर्दर लेट्स वॉच व्हाट ऑल इज़ हैपनिंग ओवर हियर. This is the guide room near the Pranam Sthal which we have shown earlier. So here in the guide room what all the devotees clear their doubts regarding the spiritualism satsang which Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj provide. As you can see how the devotees are clearing their doubts. So this is the Bhandargarh of Satlok Ashram Sojat Pali जहाँ पर बिना किसी भेदभाव के each and everyone is treated equally. Or the most uniqueness of this Bhandargarh is that regular sweeping is being done or cleanliness is being maintained regularly. From here food is being supplied to the devotees and most special thing that we ourselves has checked that hygiene is maintained at the highest peak. In the Bhandargarh itself the chapatis are being made and again with the highest peak of its hygiene and the chapatis are being facilitated with the pure ghee. As you can see the devotees are being applying the ghee. So this was all about the Bhandargarh with the all maintenance and the cleanliness maintained. This ashram has also conducted an spiritualism exhibition. Let's move inside and see कि क्या है इस आध्यात्मिक झांकी के अंदर. इस आध्यात्मिक झांकी के अंदर हमें देखने को मिलता है देयर आर मैनी स्टेचूज़ एंड फ्रेम्स जो कि डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं कि कैसे कबीर परमेश्वर सतलोक से सहशरी इस धरती के ऊपर आए थे. सो द कंप्लीट स्टोरी इज़ बीइंग told by these frames and statues as you can see these exhibitions. In this exhibition itself we get to see this adorable statue which is of a dummy Magar as you can see where Kabir Parmeshwar left his body Sah Sharir and went to Satlok. इसके अलावा यहाँ पर there are huge hoardings which shows कि कौन कौन से miracles कबीर परमेश्वर ने किए थे इस धरती पे. Most attractive, significant and adorable thing is this spiritualism library. ये आध्यात्मिक पुस्तकें यहाँ पर जो कि सर्व धर्मों की है. Each and every religion पुस्तक holy books are being presented. This library is must visit library in this Satlok Ashram because I must say that it highlights the Satlok Ashrams and this exhibition is completely full of knowledge. This was all about this spiritualist exhibition. Continuous water facility over here. You can see the graceful decorations. This is the fountain which is totally man-made. How beautiful it is being decorated. There are more decorations. Let's go through them. This is the beautiful decoration on the Kabir Sahib Prakat Divas. And one more thing over here is a decoration where the Kabir Sahib was Julha. तो यहाँ पर उस चीज़ को सिग्निफाई कर रखा है. And with the heart and the Kabir Sahib statue इस डेकोरेशन को कंप्लीट किया है. दिस इज द हैंडमेड डेकोरेशन विच शोज कि हाउ सतलोक फ्रॉम सतलोक कबीर परमेश्वर कम्स टू द लहर ताला तालाब और कैसे उन्हें नीरू नीमा मिले थे इस लहर ताला तालाब में. सो ब्यूटीफुली दिस इज बीइंग डेकोरेटेड एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज अ हैंडमेड लोटस एट सच अ जायंट साइज जहाँ पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी का स्टेचू है एंड ही इज गिविंग आशीर्वाद टू हिज डिवोटीज. Very beautifully this whole decoration is being made with their devotees over here. This is the entrance of the Darbar Sahib, the main pandal of the Satlok Ashram. As you can see कि ये कितनी अद्भुत और बेहतरीन तरीके से सजावट के साथ सजाया गया है. With all the beautiful lights, lightning, flowers, it is being decorated. Let's go inside and have a glimpse of this complete Darbar Sahib. So this is the Darbar Sahib where we can see the presence of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj in the group of the Kabir Parmeshwar. And in this Darbar Sahib, Satsang is going live. As you can see, on such a huge scale, the people have visited over here. Till the eyes goes, the people we can see. Not only the female, but on the male portion also we can see. जहाँ पर male और female differently बैठे गए हैं, not in a same time. So this is this beautiful place where you can have the sensation of the peace and you can feel that how gracefully the decoration is being done and the presence of the spiritualism. Thank you so much for watching till here. Thank you so much.